Hi guys, I'm Meloni and welcome to my channel Live It Up with Meloni. And if you're new to my channel, then hello and welcome here. And I make fashion, beauty and lifestyle related videos. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel as yet, what are you waiting for? Just hit the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so you're notified every time I upload a video. Now talking about this week's video is another unboxing video. It's the, let me just show you. Is this Sugar Box unboxing video. This is their spring edition, March 2018 spring edition box, and this is how it looks, and the packaging as usual is very good. It is a white box with a yellow ribbon and it has spring edition written over here if you can see. And now we're going to open this box and let's see what's inside. So without wasting further time, let's get started with the unboxing. So when I open the box like this is what I can see. There is paper as well as a card here, and let's read what's written on the card first. It says Spring Break Edition here with a really nice cool design here on the card, and the other side reads Sugar Box, easy breezy, sweet and fruity. Let the Spring Break Edition bring the monotony of winters and fill you with the promise of summer. Your sugar advisor. Really well written. I like this. So there is now this white paper like this, and now let's see what all is in the box. So the first thing that I can see is this pink color some cloth. So they always have like a clothing item most of the time. So this looks like a clothing item, and yes, it is. Well, it is a ruffled like one sleeve top, and the other is like a sleeveless or like an off shoulder. Yes, I guess it's more like an off shoulder from one side, and one shoulder top with ruffles on it. I'm going to be wearing this at the end of the video, so keep on watching for that. And it's the same quality that their other clothing items are. It's exactly the same quality of material. This is cute. You can like wear it a lot and perfect for like spring. So that is the first item. Now let's get to the second item of the box, and the second item is, let me just open it and show it to you. So this is how it looks. This is a hot bag, and it says My Little Rabbit, and it has two rabbits on it. It's a very light like lilac color. I really like this color and it's looking really very pretty. So I like this, and I don't have such a small hot bag, so I am definitely going to be using this. So this is the second product in the box. Now let's get to the third product of the box. Well, so this is the third product. So let me just tell you what's written on it. It says Multani Mitti infused with turmeric, rosebuds and sandal, and it's from the company Pratha Naturals and Handmade. And the ingredients are mentioned here: 100% pure, fuller earth, rosebud, turmeric and sandal. And the net quantity of this product is 75 grams. The manufacturing date is December 2017. And the expiry is 3 years from the date of manufacturing, which is really good. And MRP is 199, that is 200 rupees. So this is the product, and I'm going to definitely be trying this. So if you want to know how this product was, I'm going to be leaving my Instagram handle here on the screen, so you can check that out and follow me there to know how this was. And all the other information as to how to order this box and how much this box was for and everything is in the description box below, or it will be also on the screen, so be sure to check that out. Now let's get to the fourth item of the box, and the fourth item of the box is this, and it is Yoga Pulp Kharbuja, that's the name, and it says aloe vera pulp and juice. Health is an inside job, and it's from the company Yoga Pulp, as I said, and net volume is 200 ml, and it's best for 9 months from manufacture, and it is ready to serve drinks. So definitely going to be trying this. It just says store in a cool and dry place, and it has all the ingredients which are like aloe vera juice and pulp, apple juice, honey, melon flavor, cane sugar, water, flavor, acidity regulator, stabilizer, class 2 preservatives, and it contains nature identical flavoring substances. And I'm trying to look for the MRP. Yeah, and the MRP of this is 30 rupees. So this is a drink, and it's like so spring and summery, like all the ingredients in it, so definitely worth a try. Now let's get to the fifth product of the box, and the fifth product is, and it is like this cute pineapple mason jar with a green color straw as well, which is so cute. Like it's perfect for all your Instagram pictures as well. So I really like this product as well. I haven't seen this. Now let's get to the sixth product of the box, and the sixth product is cute little bracelet, and it has all these dangling things on it. It has a heart with wings as well as a cute little girl and love on it. So this is how it looks after wearing, and you can adjust it so you can make it your size and then wear it. And this is how the bracelet is. Now let's get to the seventh product of the box, and they look like earrings. They're black in color and they have this rose embroidered on it with like leaves, and they're so pretty. Totally wearable, so I'm going to be wearing this, so stay tuned. So now let's get to the last product of the box, and the last product of the box is, and this looks really very pretty. I'm really impressed with this time's box. It's so true to the name of the edition, and this is like a pink color bag. Let me just, you twist it like this, and this is how it opens. So it has these tassels over here, like these pink and white tassels here, and it has, let me just show you from inside. So this is the strap, really pretty strap. I really like this golden chain. It's not those ones in which your hair gets tangled up easily, and again it's pink in color. Really cute bag. And let me just show you from inside. So this is how it is from inside. It's just plain, it does not have any chains or anything, but there is a chain here at the back, and it has all these flowers embroidered on it. I really like this bag, and I'm totally going to be using it, and I feel that this month's bag or this month's box is totally worth it. For 1,499 you get 8 products, and they're all like so related to the theme. At times I've seen like a few products in the box which are not so related to the theme. Disappointed with this because look at this. I just got this and the elastic is already gone. Won't expect that because you're paying for a box, but nothing you cannot fix. I'm sure I can fix this, like a stitch here. There is an elastic, but it's a really bad quality because like even before I've worn it, it's gone. Can you see that? It's just like falling like this. I think it should be like this, like a little tight, but that's not how it is clearly. So I'll have to fix this. So they should be a little more careful about that. This looks really cute, and so does this bag. So this is all about the March edition, the March 2018 Spring Edition Sugar Box. And let me know which was your favorite product. My favorite product has to be the bag. And if you want to see my other unboxing videos, like my other Sugar Box unboxing videos as well as my other box unboxing videos, I'll be leaving a link to that in the iCard here, so be sure to check that out. And if you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel and stay connected, as I say always. Loads of love, hugs and kisses. XOXO, bye.